Standard 9th, Subject English, Mark Twain. Dear student, in previous part we learned some anecdotes of Mark Twain. Now in this part we learn remaining anecdotes and some quotations of Mark Twain. Fifth anecdote, Mark Twain's birth in November 1835 was heralded by the return of Halley's Comet. Heralded foretell, आगाऊ सूचना देणे. Twain, who often remarked upon this curiosity, came to think of himself and the comet as a unaccountable freak, sudden change, remarkable things, cosmically linked, cosmically वैश्विक. Having come in together, he declared they would go out together. In fact, Twain was proven right. On the night of his death in April 1910, Halley's comet once again blazed through the sky. Now, Mark Twain was born in November 1835. In the same month, Halley's comet was seen in the sky. Comet धूमकेतू. हॅलेचा धूमकेतू हा दर 75 वर्षांनी आकाशात दिसतो. There was an astronomer named Edmund Halley. He discovered this comet in 1682. एडमंड हॅले याच्या नावावरूनच या धूमकेतूला हे नाव दिले गेले, हॅलेचा धूमकेतू. मुलांनो, तुमच्या जन्माआधी 1986 साली हा दिसला होता. आता 2061 साली पुन्हा दिसणार. पाहणार ना? नक्कीच. Mark Twain always thought he and Halley's comet were unaccountable freaks, remarkable things. काहीतरी दोघांमध्ये विलक्षण गोष्टी आहेत. They both were cosmically linked. He predicted the year of his death 1910 because this comet was seen once again in that year. And really, Mark Twain dying in April 1910 when the Halley's comet was seen again in the sky, blazed through shine like a flame. The another anecdote is also a humorous interpretations about English spellings under the title Plan for the Improvement of English Spelling. He spelled many words by dropping some letters. Mark Twain once proposed a plan for the improvement of English spelling. खरंच इंग्लिशचे स्पेलिंग आणि उच्चार विचित्रच असतात. आणि त्याच्यासाठीच and for this he decided for first year the letter C would be dropped and replaced by K or S. X would no longer be part of the alphabet. गंमत पहा, सर्कसमध्ये पहिल्या सीला आपण स म्हणतो. सर्कसचं स्पेलिंग आहे CIRCUS. पहिल्या सीला स म्हणतो आणि दुसऱ्या सीला क म्हणतो. आणि बॉक्स BOX या शब्दाचं स्पेलिंग आपण BOKS बॉक्स असेही लिहू शकतो. And that's why C is useless letter. C is remaining, but when we write CH, जेव्हा आपण च लिहिणार तेव्हाच फक्त C राहील. In second year, he decided to reform W spelling so that which and one take same consonant W. In third year, तिसऱ्या वर्षी Y कॅन्सल करून त्या जागी I घ्यायचे त्याने ठरविले. And in year 4th he decided to fix G and J anomaly once and for all. आता पहा, गर्लमध्ये जी हा ग म्हणून येतो आणि जिंजरमध्ये ज म्हणून. मग आतापर्यंत त्याने म्हणजे ह्या दरवर्षी एक बदल केला. या 4 वर्षात त्याने जे शब्द बदलले ते इथे आपण पाहू शकतो. केस, KASE, CASEचं स्पेलिंग बदललं. C is replaced by K. Ear, IEAR. While, WILE. Fix, FIX, replaced by FIKS. Anomaly, once. In 5th year, he decided to remove useless consonants. And in 6 to 12 years, he modifying vowels and remaining voiced and unvoiced consonants. Double consonants, CH, SH, TH, PH. These are double consonants. पुढे जाण्याआधी आपण voiced and unvoiced consonant बद्दल जाणून घेऊ. जे साऊंड उच्चारताना आपली व्होकल कॉर्ड व्हायब्रेट होते किंवा नाक दाबून बोलल्यावर नाकात व्हायब्रेशन जाणवते त्यांना व्हॉइस्ड कन्सोनंट म्हणतात. ते कोणते आहेत? B, D, J, L, M, N, G, R, V, W, Y, Z. हे झाले व्हॉइस्ड कन्सोनंट. आणि ज्यांच्या उच्चाराने असं व्हायब्रेशन होत नाही ते अनव्हॉइस्ड कन्सोनंट. ते आहेत CH, F, K, P, J, JH, T, TH. By the year he is decided Y removed the letter, and after 15 years, which were now just memory in the mind of old people. म्हणजे आतापर्यंत त्याने जे बदल केले आहेत 15 वर्षामध्ये ती अक्षरं आता फक्त म्हाताऱ्या माणसांच्या लक्षात राहिलेली असतील. त्या अक्षरांना त्याने पुन्हा घ्यायचे ठरविले. टू रिप्लेस CH with C, SH with Y, and to replace TH with X. Finally, till 20 years, spelling of English words totally replaced. And this is the plan of Mark Twain. की 20 वर्षामध्ये पूर्ण स्पेलिंग बदललेल्या असतील. हा मार्क ट्वेनचा प्लान होता. You can see the last paragraph in which not a single word spelling matches with the original one. Now I read the paragraph with original spelling and you match it with the changed spelling. Finally, then after some 20 years of orthographical reform, we would have a logical, coherent spelling in use throughout the English speaking world. मॅच होते का स्पेलिंग? सगळे स्पेलिंग बदललेले आहेत. ऑर्थोग्राफी स्टडी ऑफ करेक्ट स्पेलिंग, शुद्ध लेखन. कोरंट मीन्स इझी, क्लिअर अँड सेन्सिबल, म्हणजेच काय? सुसंगत. नाव let's see some quotations of Mark Twain. This is the day upon which we are reminded of what we are on the other 364 days. April Fool's Day. A man cannot be comfortable without his own approval. A person with a new idea is a crank until the idea succeeds. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. How old are you? All generalizations are false, including this one. Be careful about reading health books. You may die of a misprint. Be careless in your dress if you will, but keep a tidy soul. Classic books which people praise and don't read. Humor is mankind's greatest blessing. I am an old man and have known a great many troubles, but most of them never happened. I must have a prodigious quantity of mind. It takes me as much as a week sometimes to make it up. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. It is better to deserve honors and not have them than to have them and not deserve them. It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. It's no wonder that truth is stranger than fiction. Fiction has to make sense. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is the time to pause and reflect. Why is it that we rejoice at a birth and grieve at a funeral? It is because we are not the person involved. Thousands of geniuses live and die undiscovered, either by themselves or by others. Thunder is good, thunder is impressive, but it is lightning that does the work. When I was younger, I could remember anything, whether it happened or not. When your friends begin to flatter you on how young you look, it's a sure sign you were getting old.